What are the sounds of time?
Usually, people would say the ticking of a clock or watch, but if I'm sitting in an empty room, what do you hear then? It sounds like the beating of a heart against my rib cage, counting every second I'm still breathing. It sounds like laughter for every minute I spent enjoying life with the people I love. It sounds like sirens rushing to beat the countdown of a dying life at stake, rushing against time so that someone else's clock could continue ticking. It sounds like the cries of a newborn child whose race against time has just begun, whose clock has just begun to tick tock. It sounds like weeps and moans of a soul who has been lost in the horrors of this world. It sounds like the bells of the chapel where two people have joined their souls together forever, where their clocks now tick together. It sounds like the rushing and the rolling of the waves crashing against the sand, like the wind muffling my ears so that I can't hear the beauty of the bird's song or the last howl at the moon. It sounds like my painful cries over someone who had hurt me for a long time. It sounds like the bustling of trees in the bright sun of day. It sounds like my soul breaking from the memories I can't forget. You asked and questioned and pondered, what does time sound like to me? And my answer is memories. Time sounds like memories. Memories you've lived and survived. It's the way you truly know time has passed. Until all the memories stop being made and your clock has finally stopped ticking.